What is up, everybody? Welcome back to GysticTutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete your history in Mozilla Firefox. Let's get into it. Alright, so you got to open up Mozilla, and then once you're in here, you want to go over to the right side, and it is the far left icon. It's the books one. Just click on that. Once you clicked on that, go down to where it says history, and just click on that. And here you'll be able to see all your history. That wasn't me. I swear to God, that wasn't me. Yeah, so we're just gonna delete this real fast. So what you're gonna do once you're here is so you're gonna click on clear recent history, and after you click on that, it'll bring up this little menu tab, and then you can choose whether you want to delete everything or just from today or the last 2 hours or whatever. I'm just gonna delete everything, and here's where you can choose to delete your browsing and download. I'm gonna delete that and delete all this as well. You can delete your site data. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to press clear now once you're ready, and we're going to go look at the history again. Click on that. Recent history, it's empty. We got no history, man. Show all history. As you can see, there is no history at all in here. Yeah, that is it for this video. If this did help you, please smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. I upload daily tutorial videos here on GysticTutorials, so hit that bell if you do want to be notified when I upload a new video. And leave a comment down below if you have any problems with this video, and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.